You know, you do a project of this scale, thousands and thousands, hundreds of thousands of pounds of concrete, hundreds and hundreds of tons, and you have a tiny little issue like this kind of just hamstring you up. And look at how much time it's taking us to mess with this crap. This is just part of the game. What's up, y'all? It's John Joffrey with Revent Builds, and if you are new to the channel, first, thanks for joining along. Behind me is the $1 million pool, and in that video I alluded to a series of additions that we're going to be doing to the existing main house. Right here I am standing in front of phase 2, which is a 20-foot tall foundation for a 2-story addition in this location. In this video, I am gonna show you some vlogs of a day when we are pouring. Some days they go really well, some days they're really tough, and in this day, we had some issues that really kicked our butts. I really wanna make it clear that this channel is not just about, look at our perfect end product, and this is how we got here with no issues. Construction is crisis management. I wanna show y'all all the trials and tribulations and how we always find a path forward. You got the $1 million pool right there, 35 feet tall. And then back over there is where we're doing another foundation. That's gonna be about 20 feet tall. Concrete's here. Jesus, look at this. Another just massive section of wall. So we did this footer, really, which is the bottom portion of the retaining wall, all the way around, and now we're going another 8 feet up. So let's see what we got going on. Just bashed my head. Hey! What's up? It's a little precarious spot you're in right there, huh? Man, I just smacked my head. Right there? Yeah, right here.
1 minute, dude.
Classic.
They got it stuck.
What? The vibrator stuck? How does that get stuck? Just cut the hose off, let it be buried in there. Damn it, how is that thing stuck in there? Let me see.
It got like wedged.
So I talk about the vibrator a lot. You can see that air gun. There's like an air canister right there that he's holding, attached to a hose, which is attached to that node that goes down in there and it vibrates to get the air pockets out of the concrete. But they got it stuck in there right now. It's always something, huh? Man, this thing is massive. What a bummer. I wonder how it's caught in there. Jose's ass crack is always out, dude.
Always out.
When you see the ass cracks out, you know the good work is happening.
Is it still stuck? Is it between the wall? Or it's caught like that? And the rebar?
Damn, we got concrete trucks sitting down there. It can't wait too long.
Concrete out there sitting?
Yes. There's concrete out there.
Is this the first truck still? Second.
Man, just crazy how these small little obstacles can like really set you back. Well, because the thing is, it's pretty key to have the vibrator working. So it's like we don't really want to pour without that working because you want to get all those air pockets out from down below, you know? But like the concrete can only sit for a certain amount of time before it goes bad, so we need to use it. So hopefully they can get this out fast.
It's snagged like this, tangled.
I know, but that's crazy. It's so weird. Cut a hole in the form?
Yeah. Hey, just cut a hole, pull it, and patch it up. Yeah, they're going to make a hole over there. Right now?
Will the concrete come out?
Poquito? It's going to be like 1 yard. 1 yard? No.
So now they're gonna have to cut a hole in our wood form, manipulating it, getting it out. Concrete's gonna come out of that hole and then patch it up. I really don't like that idea. Just wasting money out the side of the freaking form. Victor, ¿cómo estás? I'm gonna try to get a little closer, see what's going on.
Can you see it? You can't even see it.
I can see where it's going in, but
It's down in there.
it's like this. It's like hot here.
Yeah, that's crazy. How do they know where to cut down there?
Well, I mean, it can only be like right here
Yeah.
in this section.
Uh-huh.
So I think they're saying it's like right here.
Oh.
I can't like really feel it though, but
Yeah, I mean, it'd be hard to feel.
Then they're gonna cut that hole and concrete's gonna fucking pour out. Great.
Look at how thick it is that they have to get through. Look at Ryan, he's like a f***ing cat traversing these mountains like a mountain goat. Now they finally got a hole.
ya lo vi. Está aquí. Aquí.
No, es el balote, ahí no es, ahí no es.
¿Es más a la derecha?
Es el balote.
Sí.
So now they have to dig through this concrete to find it in there and then try to get it unstuck. The other thing that sucks is we're gonna have to fix that form, repair everything so that the concrete doesn't spill out. Man, it's such a tough angle to work with a Sawzall.
Orale!
All right, we got another hole made here. You know, you do a project of this scale, thousands and thousands, hundreds of thousands of pounds of concrete, hundreds and hundreds of tons, and you have a tiny little issue like this kind of just hamstring you up. And look at how much time it's taking us to mess with this crap. This is just part of the game. Look at how fast these guys are working. They're just no joke, man. Sense of urgency.
You're right there. It's sinking right where it's at.
Oh, good.
It's there.
Aquí está, agarre.
See it?
You got it?
Aquí.
Ándale, güey.
No, no está.
No mames, güey.
No, no creo. Dani, a ver, prende el pinche, el vibrador, a ver dónde está.
Really, you're so close. Oh, you're almost there. Keep going.
Dani,
Almost.
Good.
You see it?
It's almost there.
¿dónde?
Look at how much f***ing concrete we have to waste just for this shit. Pinche problemas.
Big problem.
Hey, no pasa nada.
Sí. Mucho dinero.
Mucho dinero. No pasa nada.
Sí, sí pasa.
Sí pasa.
Sí.
Here's the thing. Are they in the right spot or do they need to go to the right more? Holy shit. Spider-Man. Oh, look, I see the hose.
¿Dónde?
I can see the hose now.
Ya la vi, ya la vi.
Okay, we found it.
Ya la tengo.
¿Dónde? ¿Qué hace?
Mira, tiene mi mano.
¿Got it?
Ya la tengo.
Yeah, we see the hose. It's stuck all the way on the bottom. All right, he's digging it out.
See it down?
Yeah. It's literally all the way on the ground, like flat, laying flat.
Ground? Like,
Yeah, like all the way on the very bottom of,
so it's getting stuck like this.
yes.
Ahí, en lo grueso.
What the?
Any more trucks? Good morning. They're on their way?
Verga, lo metiste bien abajo, güey. Mira, pega.
Papá.
Got it?
Ahí está.
Mas.
Son.
You got it? Dios mío! Let's go!
Nice.
Órale!
Okay, patch it.
Sí.
Yes! Hold that up.
Mira, te
Woo!
It hurt, but it felt good.
tornillo.
Carnal, muy bien. All right, we lost a good bit of concrete in there, but we got the vibrator back. I knew we'd overcome it. We always do, but it's just like shit like this. How do you account for that, you know? And we got concrete we're trying to pour. We got just up against moving this project along in general. Now imagine in a freaking, we've been at this for 8 months. Imagine all those little micro problems that come up on a daily basis that you have to work through. And then people wonder why, oh, why is it taking so long, or this and that. And it's like, man, this is construction. It's controlled chaos. It's literally crisis management. And you just have to always know that there's always a solution. My mantra is there is always a path forward. Always. And you just have to be relentless about finding it. Victor, ¿cómo estás? Better? Better now.
Better now.
And we're back on track, baby. Concrete's flowing. The guys are working. We're gonna get all these walls poured today. We have the second to last truck is finishing up right now, and then one more truck. And we're gonna be off to the races, baby. We're just moving this along. We're trying to finish this foundation for the phase 2, edition 1 of 2, by probably early January. As you can see here, we ended up having a successful pour despite the challenges, and of course, everything worked out. In this footage, you're gonna see the guys breaking the wooden forms. You will also see them moving another round of fill dirt inside of these retaining walls. You're gonna see more of that in the next video. As always, thank each and every one of you for watching. I love y'all. I'll see you on the next one.